Multiplication by 125. If you want to multiply any number by 125, there is an easy trick. For example, 13 we want to multiply it by 125. Instead of multiplying 13 by 125, let us divide 13 by 8. We will check the quotient and remainder. 8 ones are 8 and remainder is 5. So in this method, the trick is going to be quotient number of thousands. So we multiply the quotient by 1000 and remainder number of 125. Remainder we multiply by 125. 1 into 1000 we get 1000. 5 into 125 we get 625. By adding we get 1625. This is the answer. So in this method, whenever we are dividing by 8, the remainders are possible from 0 to 7. So we need to remember 125 table from 0 to 7. 125 into 0 is 0. 125 into 1 is 125. 125 into 2 is 250. 125 into 3 is 375. 125 into 4 is 500. 125 into 5 is 625. 125 into 6 is 750. 125 into 7 is 875. So you need to remember 125 table from 0 to 7. Let us take some more questions. 16 into 125. 16 you divide by 8. The quotient is 2 and there is remainder 0. So quotient is 2. 2 into 1000 is 2000 is the answer. There is no remainder. And 24 when divided by 8, quotient is 3. So it is 3000 and there is no remainder. But when 9 is divided by 8, quotient is 1. So it is 1000 and remainder is 1. So 1 into 125 is 125. So it is 1125. When 26 is divided by 8, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 2. So it is 125 into 2 is 250. 3250. Next, 66 into 125. 66 we divide by 8. The quotient is 8 and the remainder is 2. So it is 250. 8250. 36 when divided by 8. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 4. So it is 500. 4500. 82 when divided by 8, the quotient is 10 and the remainder is 2. 125 into 2 is 250. 10,250 is the answer. 47 when divided by 8, the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 7. So it is 875. 5875. 94 when divided by 8, the quotient is 11 and the remainder is 6. 125 into 6 is 750. So that is 11,750. 20 when divided by 8, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 4. So 4 into 125 is 500. So it is 2500. There are some questions on the screen. You can pause the video here and try all the questions. And once you are ready with the answers, you can continue the video to check your answers. Here are the answers. I hope all of you got the correct answers. If there are any mistakes, please check and try again. Take some more numbers like this and practice this method. Thank you.